So this USD Japanese yen analysis for Monday the 22nd of October. Now let's just have a look where the prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the USD Japanese yen, we have seen prices break above the 1252. Didn't quite rally towards that 1277, retested 1252, couldn't break away for a test of 1277. Saw the eventual breakdown from this 1252 all the way down towards this 1215. Found support around 1215. We've seen this bullish buy side momentum take us back at 1252, and we're currently breaking away from this 1252 at present, all the way up towards this reducing points for a test of that 1277 here on the US Japanese yen. If we do break above that 1277, we're looking for move towards that 113.04, successful break from which we're then targeting a move towards that 1356. So we should point out around that 1304, we do have that confluence of a 400 period moving average, thus increased likelihood of seeing sell side momentum come into the market from that level. If, however, we do encounter major resistance around 1277, we do instead see the breakdown. We'll look to see where 1252 we do find support around 1252. If not, with the very next level notes to move down towards 1215, and if there's some volatility brings beyond 1215, the very next level of note here to the downside will move down towards that 1160 here on the US Japanese yen. And finally, we'll have a look here at the weekly chart. So on this weekly chart of the US Japanese yen, we can see here that our trend has clearly been to the upside here, despite this pullback in around that 114.50. In around that 14.50, we previously encountered resistance around that 114.30 here on the US Japanese yen, especially in 2017. Came in towards that 14.30, trade slightly above it all the way towards that 14.50. We saw immediate sell side momentum taking us down towards possibly that 1160, from which we are seeing a bit of bullish buy side momentum at present. So if this current trend persists, again, we've mentioned levels that we're looking at in around 1356 and potentially that 14.13, 14.50 here on the US Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts here, price is developing. So on this daily chart of the US Japanese yen, we do have our lows, our high lows. We've had accelerated momentum here to the upside towards that 14.30, from which we've seen this pullback from this 14.30 all the way below the 12.15, came pretty close to the test of that 11.60, oscillated around this 12.52 here for some time now. So we'll see if we do break towards that 12.77, 13.04. Beyond that, we've mentioned 13.56 and 14, very key important levels here on the US Japanese yen, and that's if we do continue our rather bullish stance here on the US Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.